accessory from S&S Exhaust. Called those guys. They quoted me at 80 for the X-pipe install and another like another 100 or so to fab up a muffler delete for me. So I'm probably gonna end up doing both right now, just cause fuck it, right? I can always go put my old mufflers back on and go back to stock, just the X-pipe if I need to down the road. Got a lot of shit going on, a lot of cars on this here lot. Heard a lot of good things about these guys. Good prices, good work. I'm up on the lift right now, getting the X-pipe muffler delete. Okay, this little joint though, little turbo joint. It's pretty clean. Stance life. It's good. He actually, it was louder when he came in here. He actually had mufflers added. He had like straight pipes. Oh. So it was way louder when he came in. Yeah, so my fucking X-pipe got welded on there, and now he's I'm doing a muffler delete too.
How much horsepower are you going on?
Like 260, but I'm about to get a tune that'll take it to 330 because it's detuned from Mercedes. So we're trying to get people to buy the 350 instead of 300. So they just detuned the fucking engine. I got it. Yeah, fuck that. Big ass economy cans. Yeah, they're hella ugly. I'm still keeping the mufflers just in case it's droney and you know I can't handle it.
AMG.
Yeah, I mean, I was telling Ian if it's too loud, I'll just leave the X-pipe and put the stock mufflers back on.
Let me drop the mufflers.
All right, thanks, man. Thank you. Hell yeah. Super good. Not like that. It sounded like it was super quiet before. I think once it gets down off the lift and everything, it'll sound even better.
Yeah.
Sound good, man. Yeah, sound good. Perfect. Nah, it ain't AMG. I wish. Can't afford AMG,
Looks
man.
like the one I had.
Yeah. It gets it done, man. Sound good. Yeah, man. It's like not too loud. It's perfect.
Alright, man.
Alright guys, so got my muffler delete and X-pipe installed today at S&S, and I gotta give a huge shout out to Ian and all the guys over at S&S. They did a really good job. Their prices are extremely fair. I don't hide anything from you guys, so for the installation of the X-pipe, having a muffler delete fabbed up and installed and everything, it was $180. It's not bad at all. So a lot of the air muffler shops I hear were trying to charge me $300-400. They hear Mercedes when you say what kind of vehicle you got, and they think you got money or some shit. So anyway, yeah, it was gonna be $80 for just the X-pipe, but you know, I was like, instead of me just coming back later because it's not loud enough for me and then getting the muffler delete, I'm gonna do it all at once, and if it's too loud or droney or I get pulled over, then I'll just put the stock mufflers back on or just get an aftermarket muffler like MagnaFlow or something like that. So anyway, I am super satisfied with it. It sounds really good. It's not too droney. It is pretty loud, and even on the inside with the windows up and everything, it's a little noisy, but it's, when you're cruising and it's at the lower RPMs, it's not too droney or too bad. But in the higher RPMs, from 4,000 on to about 6,500, which is the red line, it sounds like an exotic. It literally doesn't sound like any other vehicle you're going to hear out there. It literally sounds like an exotic. It sounds very like Ferrari-ish, very higher-end BMW, Mercedes-ish. It sounds very good. So that's what I wanted. I didn't want it to sound like a you know, a Civic or anything like that. No offense, I mean, my last car was a Civic, but I didn't want it to sound like a 4-cylinder because it's not. So very satisfied, and you guys are going to be getting plenty of sound clips, sound bites starting tomorrow morning. I can do a cold start for you guys, and then I'll do some interior, windows up and windows down, because obviously I don't want it too droney because I vlog from inside the car, so I want to make sure you guys can still hear me. And we'll do some pulls under overpasses and bridges and tunnels and stuff like that, so you can get that crazy exotic rip. So alright guys, let me just real quick show you the stock parts here. These huge cans here are the mufflers. I don't really think they added any horsepower by doing the muffler delete and X pipe. However, this is a lot of weight being taken out of the vehicle because all the shit I added is very lightweight, and these are all very heavy, as you can tell by these. I mean, the sheer size of these mufflers alone, that's crazy. And then this thing, I'll show you on the table. This is what the X pipe replaced. It's a resonator section. It's very heavy, and I thought it was an X pipe because some of the other C300 models have an X pipe for this resonator section, but this is straight through design. So yeah, that's different. So I don't feel like it's really changed the driving characteristics at all or anything. At least I haven't really felt like it's changed anything. Maybe it's got a little dead spot in a certain RPM. I've only driven it 3 times with the exhaust installed for about 10 minutes each time, so I don't have enough experience with it yet to know if it's gonna change anything in the torque band or if it's gonna be too droney or anything like that. So keep you guys tuned with that, and I will catch you on the flip side. KC out.